Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety. Oh, 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 You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found out we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Anxiety, shake it up for me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.